Welcome to the Able Artswork Learning Channel. For today's video, you're going to need paper towel roll, tape, pencil, scissors, paint any color you want, and paintbrushes and a water cup. We're going to want to begin by drawing lines on our paper towel roll. You can do this either freehand or you can get a piece of paper and wrap it around and follow the line. You're going to do this all along the paper towel roll. Then we're going to get our scissors and we're going to cut along the lines. It's okay if it folds in half, because we're going to do that ourselves. Then we're going to get these and we're going to fold them in half. Now we're going to bring our tape into the mix. You're going to tear off a piece of tape, get two petals, hold them together, tape them together. You might want to do this on both sides so that way it doesn't open and close. And then repeat. Now that we've made our flowers, we're going to paint them. If you need to protect your work surface, make sure you put something down.